What's up, YouTube? Back with another fun field carpet cleaning video from Green Rhino. And that was very corny. Large room. This is on top of a barn, workshop, guest house. And a customer booked me online. And the booking was set for a living room. So I did follow up and say, hey, we have $200 minimum because it's usually $100 for the first living room standard. And I let him know it's $200 minimum. You can add a room if you want. He said, okay. And so I showed up, and it's actually a size of about 3 large rooms. So did adjust it, and he was good on that. He's good for that. No problem. So I said, oh, you get pet problems? And I didn't really see any. He just said, no, it's beer. So I'm going to take care of that for him. I already had this boosted a little from a previous job. So, all right, I'm pre-spray this and get going. What's up, guys? Real quick, if you're looking to start a carpet cleaning business or you're stuck, Green Rhino Academy is your resource, all right? Link below all my videos, all right? We got courses, we got full mentorship programs, so let's go. See it disappear on contact. It means it's organic. I didn't want to boost my whole pre-spray, it'd be a waste. So I just hit some spots with this. It's like burn in the carpet. Just in this general area, this is the rocking out area, that's why. Quick walk around. Just this way the rinse is just easier, you know? You get all this stuff right from the beginning, you don't have to stop. Do a whole bunch of stopping. Now this is the bathroom. Okay? Go ahead and spray a bunch right here. It does have a little deodorizer already boosted in it from a job yesterday, so should help with the odor. I'm not charging for the odor because it really isn't an odor problem, but if anything kicks up here, I'm not using the product. I'm not going to charge them. Hey guys, do me a solid. Go ahead and, if you watch my channel, you see my videos constantly. It's help you build your business. Do me a favor, become a member. Down below, you can become a member, and it's about $2 a month, man. And it would really help me out, so I can stay focused on creating more content. All right. So, do that for me, and hit that like, too. not gonna worry about dry passes on this too much. They're not gonna be on it. Plus it's low pile carpet, it's gonna dry fast anyways. Just have the ceiling fan, we'll turn that on high. But yeah, nice difference, huh? I'm gonna need 2 hands. Hey, keep an eye out, guys, because I'm doing some reaction videos for the cleaning industry. So yeah, my first one was Mark Sager. I did a reaction off one of his videos, and I will go ahead and put that at the end here, end of the stream. Check that out. Be sure to like it if you do like it. That way it can be recommended, and I can know whether to keep making more of them. All right, and then you can go ahead and recommend maybe a video you want me to react to. Love it. So with this business, you get instant gratification, right? You know, and it's one of those satisfying video things, you know. So if you notice, I'm overlapping, so actually each stroke's getting 2 rinses. All right, I'm gonna finish this. Might film again once I get into this area. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. I'm gonna go knock out another one. I don't know if you heard me, or I don't know if it was in the video, but I tore my calf muscle, so I was out of work for like a week and a half. And I usually have help, but not today. So I'm glad it's kind of a light day, and I'm just, you know, limping around and stuff. It's gonna take a while for it to heal. So yeah, trying to do some calf raises. Don't push it too hard, guys. Especially when you get older, I guess. Who would have knew?